Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. Today my friend and I would like to present about the invention of clock. Firstly, in 1500 before century, people used sundial. It shows time by displaying the location of a shadow on a flat surface with markings that correspond to hours. Secondly, in 150 before century, we have hourglass. Basically, it was a fine sand flowing into a tiny hole at a constant rate indicate an arbitrary, predetermined passage of time. Third, in 1390s, we have clock tower. Clock tower basically capable of chiming at a specific time every day. In 1010, people used pocket watch. By using the invention of mainspring, German inventor Peter Henning was finally able to create watches that did not require falling weight as the source of their power. This invention gave birth to the first wave of small portable watches, which is pocket watch. In 1656, we have pendulum clock. A pendulum clock uses a swinging pendulum to keep track of time. This type of clock needs to be stationary in order to work properly because motion will cause time inaccuracy. Then in 1730, we have cuckoo clock. Every hour, a tiny bird made of wood will come out from the house and sing cuckoo. It will make people more alert about time.
Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Nazir bin Muhammad Zamri and I will explain you how the revolution of watch from 1852 until now 2020. On 1852, the shepherd himself installed a clock in front of the Royal Observatory, Greenwich in London. Therefore, in 1852, all the astronomers were research about the longitude at the world globe. So they come out the Greenwich meridian is have the zero longitude and it's located at the Royal Observatory, Greenwich, London. So they recommend the Greenwich meridian clock as the prime meridian of the world. Right now, if we can see in our smartphone, and we can see when the time, as an example, Malaysia 7 p.m. GMT plus 7. That is the Greenwich Mean Time if you want to know. After that, in 1867, a mechanical wind-up alarm clock that could be set for any time was patented by the Sir E. Thomas. But at the late of 1876, the alarm clock was for the home started to be popular and begin to be sold through all out the world. On July 6, 1916, the New York Times puzzled over the fashion trend because they find out why is the Europeans were starting to wear bracelets with clocks on them. Can you imagine we wear a bracelet and the clock on them? It's kind of interesting for me because when you bracelet is an accessory for a woman, especially when the bracelet and they put the clock on them. Well, it's fashion, like we can imagine what is fashion. So from that idea, they come out, they innovate how to make the fashion all around the world. So they invented this kind of wristwatch. Until now, we all use this watch for our daily life. Sometimes they wear watch to present ourselves more preferable, kind of like that. So let's move to 1970, when the Hamilton Watch Company was produced the first digital wristwatch with an LED display called Pulsar. call it pulse. If you know, the digital clock is different from this. This is we call an analog clock, but the digital clock have the digital like LED lights to show the time of that time. This digitals come out with the 24-hour system and 16-hour system. They can be set on the clock itself. On 1999, the Samsung have introduced to us the first smartwatch in the world. The smartwatch at that time we can call every person in 19 minutes of talk time. There are many features of smartwatch. Some smartwatch you can listen to the music in them, and you can set your alarm, and you can call people from the smartwatch itself, and it also can be connected to our smartphone for the health system monitoring. And right now the newest features on smartwatch is NFC, where you can buy things by using your smartwatch. Just when you scan at the barcode, you can buy the things that you want by using your smartwatch only. So until now, there is so many type of watch that you have learned from this video. So the innovation in this world is really awesome. I can imagine how people can come out with idea from a big giant clock into this kind of watch. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and I want to appreciate all my friends in my group that have come up with all the ideas how the revolution of watch from all the time until now. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.